Looking to spice up your lunch routine? Whether you're packing for yourself or your little ones, these creative lunchbox ideas are sure to bring some excitement to your day. Let's dive into some delicious, nutritious options that everyone will love. Say goodbye to the same old boring sandwiches and salads. Today, we're exploring lunchbox ideas that combine fun, flavor, and nutrition to keep you fueled and energized. These ideas are great for both adults and kids. If you've been feeling uninspired when it comes to packing lunches, it's time for a change. From colorful snacks to hearty meals, we've got creative options to make lunchtime something to look forward to, whether you're at work, school, or on the go. For kids, let's kick things off with some kid-friendly lunchbox ideas that turn meals into fun, interactive experiences. These lunches are designed to be not only healthy but also exciting enough to make your kids look forward to eating. A pizza lunchbox is the perfect way to turn lunch into a mini pizza party. Use whole wheat pita bread as the base, spread a little tomato sauce, add some shredded mozzarella, and let your child add their favorite mini toppings, peppers, mushrooms, or even olives. It's fun and easy to put together. Get creative with your sandwich presentation by turning them into veggie faces. Use cucumber slices for eyes, baby carrots for noses, and cherry tomatoes for mouths. It's a playful way to get your kids to eat their veggies, and it makes lunchtime much more fun. Fruit kebabs are an amazing way to add variety and excitement to your child's lunch. Stack different fruits like strawberries, grapes, melon, and pineapple on skewers to make them easy to eat and visually appealing. You can even pair these with a small side of yogurt for dipping. Homemade Lunchables are always a hit with kids, and they're so easy to make. Add some whole grain crackers, slices of cheese, turkey or ham, and a handful of veggies like cucumber or carrot sticks. It's a build-your-own snack box that's fun and nutritious. Dips can make veggies and fruit a lot more exciting. Pack a small container of hummus, guacamole, or a yogurt-based dip to go with carrot sticks, cucumber slices, or apple wedges. This makes eating veggies more enjoyable for picky eaters and gives them extra flavor. Mini wraps or pinwheels are a fantastic option for a lunchbox treat. Take a whole wheat tortilla and fill it with turkey, cheese, and a little mustard or mayo. Then, roll it up and slice it into bite-sized pinwheels. These are easy to grab and perfect for smaller hands. Bento boxes are a great way to pack a variety of foods, all neatly separated into compartments. For a balanced lunch, fill one section with sliced fruit, another with veggies, one with a protein like chicken or tofu, and the last with a small treat. The variety keeps kids engaged and excited to eat. Mini muffins are a perfect addition to a lunchbox, and they're easy to make ahead of time. Whether you go for banana, blueberry, or even savory veggie muffins, they're great for breakfast or as a snack. Plus, you can sneak in some healthy ingredients like oats or flaxseed. Colorful rice bowls are an excellent option for a healthy and fun lunch. Cook some rice and top it with diced vegetables like bell peppers, peas, and corn. Add a protein like chicken or tofu, and drizzle with a little soy sauce or sesame oil. It's a quick and nutritious meal that your child will love. Frozen yogurt pops are a fun way to serve up a cool and refreshing treat. Simply pour yogurt into popsicle molds, add some fresh berries or chopped fruit, and freeze. These make for a perfect lunchbox surprise that's both healthy and delicious. Homemade pizza rolls are not only delicious but also a great way to use up leftovers. Roll up some pizza dough with sauce, cheese, and toppings like veggies or pepperoni, then bake until golden and crispy. These bite-sized rolls are easy to pack and fun to eat. For those picky eaters who prefer to eat smaller portions, try packing bite-sized finger foods like cheese sticks, boiled eggs, crackers, and a handful of grapes. These are easy to pick up, and you can create a variety of combinations each day. Food shapes make everything more fun. Use cookie cutters to shape sandwiches, cheeses, or fruits into fun shapes like stars, hearts, or animals. It's a simple way to make even the most basic meal feel special and exciting for your little one. Smoothies are a great way to pack a lot of nutrition into one lunch. Make a fruit and veggie smoothie, blend it up, and pack it in a thermos to keep it cold. Kids will love the sweet taste, and you can sneak in some spinach or kale for added nutrition. Homemade granola bars or energy bites are a fantastic option for a healthy, portable snack. You can make them with oats, honey, nut butter, and a mix of dried fruits and seeds. They're easy to prepare and can be stored for the whole week. Smoothie bowls are a trendy and fun way to enjoy a nutritious lunch. Blend frozen fruit like berries or mangoes with a bit of yogurt or almond milk to create a thick smoothie base. Top with granola, chia seeds, and fresh fruit for a visually appealing and nutrient-packed meal. For adults need creative lunch ideas too. Packing a lunch for work or school doesn't have to be dull. Let's dive into some exciting, healthy meals that are not only delicious but also convenient and easy to pack. A Mediterranean meze lunchbox is perfect for those who love variety. Pack small portions of hummus, baba ganoush, pita bread, olives, cherry tomatoes, and grilled chicken or falafel. It's a balanced, light meal that keeps you full without weighing you down. Quinoa salads are a perfect lunchtime option for adults. Cook up some quinoa and toss it with roasted vegetables like sweet potatoes, zucchini, and bell peppers. Top it with a lemon tahini dressing and a sprinkle of feta cheese for a satisfying and healthy lunch. Sushi-inspired lunchboxes are another great way to mix up your midday meal. Pack some sushi rice, sliced avocado, cucumber, and your choice of protein, like grilled salmon, tofu, or shrimp. Add a small container of soy sauce and wasabi for extra flavor. Mason jar salads are a fantastic make-ahead option for busy adults. Layer ingredients like chickpeas, quinoa, spinach, and your favorite vegetables. Add a protein like chicken or tofu, and top it with a healthy vinaigrette dressing. Shake it up when you're ready to eat. Wraps are an easy, portable lunch option that can be customized to your taste. Try a spinach tortilla with grilled chicken, hummus, cucumbers, and spinach for a refreshing and filling meal that's quick to prepare and perfect for on the go. For a Mediterranean-inspired lunch, try packing falafel with a side of tabbouleh salad and a container of tzatziki sauce. It's refreshing, nutrient-dense, and bursting with flavor. Stuffed avocados are a delicious way to enjoy lunch, especially if you're looking for a low-carb, high-protein option. Simply slice an avocado in half and fill it with your choice of chicken salad, quinoa, or even a bean mixture for a satisfying meal. If you're looking for something hearty and filling, a grain bowl with roasted veggies, chicken, or chickpeas, topped with a drizzle of tahini or olive oil, is the perfect choice. It's a balanced meal that will keep you energized throughout the afternoon. A fruit and nut bento box is an easy and healthy option that combines sweet and savory flavors. Pack a variety of nuts, dried fruits, cheese, and fresh fruit like apples, berries, or grapes. This combination provides a good balance of protein, healthy fats, and carbs. Egg muffins are a great make-ahead option for busy mornings. You can bake them with eggs, veggies, and cheese, then store them in the fridge for a quick grab-and-go meal. They're high in protein and super versatile. Mini tacos are a fun and flavorful lunchbox idea. Fill small tortillas with black beans, roasted veggies, salsa, and a sprinkle of cheese. These little tacos are easy to eat, full of flavor, and perfect for packing. Lentil or chickpea salads are a great protein-packed option for lunch. Toss them with fresh herbs, cherry tomatoes, cucumbers, and a lemon dressing. This light but filling salad is full of fiber and perfect for a midday boost. Grain bowls are another fantastic way to get in your daily nutrients. Start with a base like farro or brown rice, add some roasted sweet potatoes, kale, and a protein like chicken or chickpeas, and finish with a drizzle of olive oil or tahini.